How to add emoji on Figma page name. In this video, I'll show you how to add emojis to your Figma page names in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on the device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open your project in Figma and look at the pages section on the left side of your screen. Double-click on the page name you want to edit. It will become editable like this. Now add your emoji. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space to open the emoji. And on Windows, press Windows key plus period. And just pick your emoji and it will appear right in the page name. You can use emojis to categorize pages like laptop for development and painting for design, etc. And that's it. This is how you can add emojis on page name. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.